weather's gorgeous and I'm Georgia bound. Chain smoking in the hoopty with the windows down. Life has been a bad trip and so I'm skipping town. Addiction's the only reason I've been sticking round. Hands swimming through the air like a fishy. Out the window doing 95, crossing I-50. I'm looking iffy, hands looking shifty. Leaving everything I love behind. Will it ever miss me? Will it ever miss me? It's a lot of big sky above West Virginia. I'm feeling little as the mess of lessons linger. In my heart I know I'm still a good kid, and mama's gonna hug me like I'm still a good kid. Drugs in my body but I'm still a good kid. Weather's gorgeous and I'm Georgia bound. Birds singing in the sun and I adore the sound. Clouds whisper against the blue heat, waves off the ground. Levity in everything and change all around. Heart beating in my chest like a kick drum. Good vibes, still craving that bad shit I get sick from. Vending smokes from the rest stop where I throw up. Swear I'm a good kid, I'm just a willy bad grown up. I'm just a bad grown up. Anxiety kicks in 6 lanes into Atlanta, like I'm Moses in the desert praying to Yahweh for some manna. Pull up to my mama's house on empty. My defense is on high, like life's an enemy. Feeling like I'm carrying a loaded gun, but I'm disarmed. When my mama says, son,